In this script, I'm going to explain about the problem number two. The purpose of the problem number two is to find the summation of the odd number from A to B. Okay, let's take a look. Here you can see that we have input A and B and compare between A and B. Okay, um, so let's compare with the program here. Okay, we just do the what's the third problem? Fourth. Okay, let's take a look. So we start A and B. Okay, this is very simple. You have an input A and B, and then compare A less than B. Let's go to the this side. Big equal to B and small equal to A. Otherwise, big equal to A and small equal to B. Okay. We have the initial value for the sum equal to 0 right here, and then we have if small percentage to this um, okay, C equals to small and L C equals to small plus 1. We use while loop to check C less or equal to B. We get a sum equal to sum plus C and C equal to C plus 2. Um, delete this. Okay, let's run this program. We enter 1 and 5. So you get the summation of sum of 9. What is this? Okay, let's take a look. We have number run from 1 to 5, and we would like to get the summation of the odd number between these 1 to 5. So the odd number 1, 3, and 5. If you sum at these sum these three numbers together, 1, 3, and 5, you will get the summation of 9. Okay, so this is the odd number. What about even number between 1 and 5? So the program of the problem number 4 is similar. We just change the code a little bit. Okay, you just change a little bit right here. And this one, okay, it's very similar. Just change this at this equal sign to 0. Set and you try to run the program. We have the number. Maybe I can choose 5, 2, 1. Okay, so you can see that small is 1 and big is 5. So I can switch that number 1 to 5. If you choose the small to be the less value and big equal to 5, and we sum up the even, so we have 2 and 4. So summation of these two numbers is 6. Okay, I hope this clip helped. You can submit during midnight. Right, see you in the next clip. Bye.